everyone. In today's class, we are going to learn how to write a sentence. While writing a sentence, we have to follow certain rules. Whenever we are starting writing the sentence, we should use capital letters. So always the sentence begins with capital letters. After completion of each word, we have to leave one finger space gap. Whenever we write a sentence in the words, we should leave one finger space gap. After writing a complete sentence, we have to finish the sentence with correct punctuation marks. It can be a full stop, question mark, or an exclamation mark. And more importantly, we have to follow to write in a line and also use the correct spelling while writing. Thank you.